Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get the flute in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go ahead and open it up by downloading it from the App Store, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can find all the instruments that you can get started playing, you can get started opening up the audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead, guys, and see how to add the flute and get started with using the flute as an instrument. As you can see, once you scroll left or right, you can find there is no option to add the flute, but this is how we can add the option for more instruments. What you want to do is go ahead and find the main menu right here, and as you can see, we have the button that says more sounds under every instrument. So click on more sounds, and guys, you can see under more sounds, now it's going to open up a menu with all the options we have. But let's go ahead and find an instrument, and now we can go ahead and click on more sounds. Under any instruments, we're going to go ahead and go to the keyboard. So under keyboard, we can click on more sounds, and once you click on more sounds under keyboard, as you can see, it's going to open up all the keyboards you have right here, like an Alchemy synth, the all regular keyboards. And under the other option, this is the last option you have, under other, you can see now we have the flute. So now you can click on flute, and after clicking on flute, guys, it opens up the flute right here. You can get started playing the flute instrument right here by clicking the buttons and get started recording. But yeah guys, basically it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.